Apple's research paper, Reassessing Agent AI and AGI, Apple's latest research, a critical reassessment of agentic AI and the path to AGI. Apple's recent research paper has made waves in the AI community, challenging some fundamental assumptions about the future of artificial general intelligence, AGI. The paper, titled The Illusion of Thinking: Understanding the Strengths and Limitations of Reasoning Models via the Lens of Problem Complexity, offers a fresh and critical perspective on the reasoning abilities of today's AI systems. For senior leaders in technology and innovation, this research calls for a serious re-evaluation of AI development strategies. Key insights from Apple's research. 1. The core issue: AI's reasoning capabilities are limited. Apple's research highlights a significant gap in the capabilities of current AI models, particularly large language models, LLMs, and large reasoning models, LRMs. These models, which power many advanced AI systems today, are impressive in many ways, but fundamentally limited when it comes to true reasoning. While they excel at tasks involving pattern recognition and responding to well-structured inputs, they struggle with more complex and ambiguous problems. Apple refers to this as the illusion of thinking, the idea that these AI models appear to reason but lack deep understanding and adaptability. This illusion is due to their reliance on statistical patterns rather than genuine cognitive processes. 2. Why this matters for AGI development. AGI is the next frontier in AI, machines that can reason, adapt, and solve novel problems with human-like intelligence. Apple's findings suggest that the current approach to building AGI, which focuses on scaling up existing AI models, may not be enough to achieve true general intelligence. While AI models can improve with more data and computation, they lack the cognitive flexibility required for true AGI. This research challenges the assumption that scaling up models will naturally lead to breakthroughs in AGI. Instead, Apple's paper suggests that fundamental innovations in AI architecture and reasoning methods are required to reach the level of intelligence needed for AGI. 3. Methodology: Analyzing problem complexity. To arrive at their conclusions, Apple researchers employed a rigorous methodology that tested the reasoning abilities of various models using different levels of problem complexity. The research focused on problem complexity, the idea that AI models can perform well on relatively simple tasks, but struggle when the complexity increases beyond a certain point. The researchers compared the performance of different AI models, LLMs and LRMs, on a range of tasks from basic reasoning to more intricate, high-complexity problems. They found that while these models excelled in controlled environments, they faltered when asked to solve problems with more unpredictable or ambiguous elements. This is where the illusion of thinking comes into play. The models may seem to reason, but they lack the deep understanding needed to truly solve complex, novel problems. 4. Impact on the AI industry. For companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, all of which have made bold claims about the reasoning capabilities of their models, Apple's research is a serious challenge. These companies have pushed the narrative that scaling large models will eventually lead to the development of AGI. However, Apple's findings suggest that this path may be flawed, and a more fundamental rethink of AI's core capabilities is needed. The paper suggests that the industry must explore new approaches beyond just scaling to achieve genuine intelligence. AI development strategies should focus on advancing models that can reason more flexibly and solve complex real-world problems. The road ahead: rethinking AI's future. Apple's research forces us to confront the reality that scaling up existing models alone won't lead to AGI. The path forward requires reimagining AI architectures, introducing new cognitive models, and finding ways to make machines genuinely intelligent and adaptive. This means redefining intelligence and investing in AI systems that can reason, learn, and evolve beyond predefined rules. For leaders in AI, tech, and innovation, the key takeaway is clear. The future of AGI requires innovation beyond simply increasing the size and scale of models. We must focus on fundamentally changing how AI systems think and solve problems to truly reach the potential of AGI. Final thoughts. Apple's paper offers a bold critique of the current trajectory in AI research and development. It challenges the idea that scaling existing models is enough to achieve true AGI and urges a rethinking of how we approach AI reasoning and problem solving. For senior leaders in the AI industry, this research is a call to action. It's time to explore new pathways for intelligent systems, systems that can think, reason, and adapt in ways that current models cannot.